Hello, hello. My name is Linda, also known as Tortajala around the internet. I love creative journaling and all things stationery. So today I have a very quick video to show you about how I make pockets to add into my ring planners. I know there are tutorials out there about using your laminator to make like totally clear pockets, which involve a bit more work. But I think the easiest method is to simply punch a paper bag or an envelope and trim it to size so that it has one opening and use that as a pocket in your ring planner. I've laminated these envelopes and a paper bag to use, and the process of lamination just makes the insert obviously a bit more long lasting and protected. But you certainly can use an envelope or a paper bag directly without lamination and just trimming it properly. So, just as you add any insert into your ring planner, you can punch the holes, you can round the corners, trim it to size, and just make it like a perfect little pocket insert to hold receipts, smaller papers, postage stamps, those kinds of things into your ring planner. And if you're worried about things falling out on the side of the pocket, you can actually make it a top loading pocket as well. It just depends where you trim. If you have like an envelope, you're basically going to seal it up and then just trim off the side that you want to open and make it a pocket. So choose whatever orientation that works for you. Now, I've laminated this pastry bag because I thought that the pattern was just so cute. I wanted to keep it and use it again and again. So, laminating it just made it last a bit longer, and I did round the corners. But let me know if you do this and if you have any other ideas or DIY tutorials or tips when adding things into your ring planners or your journals. I would love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more stationery videos. I want to thank you for watching and supporting me here. Until next time, bye.